What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Pocophone F1, and I got some exciting news of an update that's going to be coming to the Pocophone. That's right, very soon, where you're going to get 960 frames per second slow-mo, also night mode, also guess what, 4K 60 frames per second. That's right, and also they're going to be doing some other goodies. But let's check out what I'm running on here first. I am running the stable build of the MIUI 10 Android Pie 10.1.3.0. That is the stable update. Now, if you check out my man on Twitter here from Poco, his name is C-Man Mohan from India Poco. He sends out a couple tweets today, and they're very exciting news. The first one is this right here. Poco fans, 960 frames per second slow-mo and night mode is coming to a stable build for your master speed, which is the Pocophone, in the coming 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, we're going to be getting 960 frames per second slow-mo and also night mode on the camera. As part of this update, we're also optimizing the reported battery drain and touch issues. Apology for the slight delay on this. So if you guys know of anything else, I can send him a tweet and let you know how he feels about it. He also says, and regarding 4K 60 frames per second, we will be rolling it out in the stable update in February. We are working with our partners to also provide, get this, widevine L1 certification. So that's good news for Netflix and Hulu and all those other things that we haven't been able to take advantage of because it doesn't have that widevine L1 certification. I previously thought that was a hardware issue, but apparently this is something they can fix with an update, which makes this great news. And he goes on to say, we will continue to focus on providing the best experience on Pocophone F1. So that is just great news as far as the camera is concerned. We're gonna be getting a great camera update. We're gonna be getting that 4K 60 frames per second, also 960 frames per second slow-mo video. That's awesome. Woo. We're also going to be getting that night mode, so that's going to be great on the camera. So a lot of goodies to look forward to on the Pocophone F1. If you guys stay tuned to the channel, as soon as that update or beta drops, I'm gonna be sure to load it on the Pocophone F1 to give you guys a preview. If there's anything else you want to see with the Pocophone, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see on it. Also, what kind of themes are you guys running on your Pocophone and that kind of thing? What kind of ROMs you guys doing? But if you're not part of the party people, please subscribe to the channel. Also, like I said, leave a comment, leave a question, give a shout out, whatever you want to do, please leave it down below. You could also follow me on Twitter. You could also follow me on Instagram and Android Stud. That's the place to be. That's gonna do it, man. That's the latest and greatest on the Pocophone. A serious update is coming out with 960 slow-mo video frames per second, also that night mode, and also 4K 60 frames per second on the Pocophone, including that widevine L1 certification. That is awesome, awesome news. I'm gonna do it, man. That's gonna do it, man. I'm out of here. Party people, go have a Poco party with your Poco.